Welcome everybody. So today's video, I just want to quickly show you how to sort out Tuya when your trial runs out. So Tuya is the application that connects your wireless plug basically to the internet, so you'll be able to use it with Lumia stream. You'll notice when the trial runs out, or you don't even notice the trial runs out, that anything you try to do with Lumia stream doesn't work, but your local stuff does, so with your own app and things like this. So yes, you've got a 1 month trial when you register an account and sort out your IoT stuff. So to be able to sort this out to get in a 6-month extension, and you'll be able to do this every 6 months as well, is go to cloud, then development, find your connection that you've got set up for it, then go to service API for that connection. On the IoT core, click view details. And then on here, it will show you your expirational date. So when it runs out, obviously if you set it up, you've got a month on it. You'll be able to click it. I've already done mine. Mine's already been gone through. This is why I'm trying to show other users how to do this without having to set up another account every month, which is a pain. You don't want to be doing that. So your extension period, the max is 6 months. So put 6 months. The developer identity is individual developer. Number of connections is less than 50. Project overview, I'll just put users for Lumia stream, local control, contacts, and your email address. And it takes 2 to 3 days for it to go through. It's automatic basically. So I did speak to customer services to try and find out, well, do we have to do this? Is there another way around it? And the basic turn around, they're helpful. The basic turn around says, no, if this is what you're using it for, basically, yeah, you'll have to apply for it every 6 months. You should be able to apply for it just before it ends. And then, yeah, it just saves you creating new email addresses all the time. But I hope this helps you out. I hope this is able to connect you to Lumia stream, so nothing stops working, or other applications you might be using this for. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you and goodbye.